Namaste, everyone. I feel a little overwhelmed to think of myself as a chief guest, but I really honor the essence of Prayoga, the way they started, and it's really a proud privilege that I have that I am a part of Prayoga. Since Dr. Naga Bhushana joined here, I have been a part of this institution, and it has been a very wonderful journey. The kind of warmth and the intent that I see is in the eyes of everybody who is associated with Prayoga. You can see that the way they want to transform education in different sectors. Of course, geoscience is something that we are experiencing right now, but the overall intent of transforming the way education is passed down is very unique. And I think, as I mentioned, I really like the name movement. It's not just a course or a workshop or an element that we need to experience once, but it has to become a part of a movement and the journey that we have all embarked upon. I personally feel that the students who have come here, for you, whether you pursue geoscience or not, you have a very strong flavor of geoscience in you now. That cannot be taken out from you, isn't it? All of you agree with that? Isn't it? So, and that's what will build you as humans, as individuals, as professionals who is really connected to the ground, to Mother Earth. Because we often in our journey we forget that where we are, why we are here, and what is sustaining us to being here. In the corporate world, the word sustainability is now very much a part of every organization, every institution. This was not the case just maybe 10 years ago. So how this is all changing? It's all to make the earth, good for every being, humans included, on this planet. As we heard that the earth has been there from the inception, roughly 4.6 billion years. It will continue to be there, till the next Big Bang possibly. But for the question is about the survival of the ecosystem that is here and how we can nurture and not let the overall some of the species getting extinct. While we know that mass extinction is a part of the process of the earth itself, we have lived through five mass extinctions. The dinosaurs extinction is quite famous. Everybody we have watched it growing up from the movies. But let that alone. The kind of changes that we are seeing in recent times is at an unprecedented rate. So how we can bring that knowledge into solving the problems? Secondly, as I mentioned in the address to the students, that my journey in geosciences started just by the exposure to geosciences. And that's why, 18 of you today should become 180 into 1800. Just the word has to spread and it has to grow exponentially for people to let them know what geoscience is all about and how this is contributing to the society. It's one earth and one family. As Sir mentioned about this Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that's the whole essence. In fact, when India took over at G20 presidency, that was the logo and the tagline, one earth, one family, and how we are all connected with the changes that this Mother Earth is experiencing. For the students who are interested to pursue geosciences, get into the depths of it. Prayoga remains your point of contact. We are all affiliated here. We are all welcoming you to participate. And those who are moving ahead, please send and nominate more students to participate in the very next edition of this event and beyond. Wherever you go, whichever organization you go, wherever colleges you go, you try to take an essence of this, talk to them. Let's say if there's an event that they're organizing, take 10-minute slot and educate them briefly about what you have learned and why it is important for them to also learn about the whole subject of geosciences. It's very, very important. Spreading the message far and wide is very, very important. You are not just at the end of a workshop, but now onwards you are our ambassadors. You are the future leaders and the ones who will speak up for what efforts have been given here. And I can see that you are all very convinced and happy about the contents that you have seen here. With all of these, I want to thank Prayoga. I'm very much a part of Prayoga, so it's like in-house thanking that way. But I always feel very honored when I'm invited here and joining here. I want to thank everybody at the team Prayoga, not naming anybody, but everybody. every single element. The deepest thanks is to the one who are helping in the kitchen. Because every time I come here, I love the delicious food. So students, if you have enjoyed the food, you can also come here whenever you wish to and enjoy the delicious food. But more than that, there is food for thoughts. And that's what is the term Prayoga stands about. Thank you for having me here.